So the brand sent me a new nail drill, and this is a portable electric one. So I'm going to try it out on my nails today and let you know what I think. So this is a professional nail drill. It's going to be great for nail filing or even nail removal. It comes with a complete drill and it has a low vibration as well as a battery that's going to last quite a while. Check out all of those accessories included. We have all of the tips as well as the metal tips. Then we have our main little unit here, and this is going to be our power supply. And then down below we do have your user manual, the cord that's going to connect these two together, some more bits, and a charging cable here without the power brick. Step one, pick out your tip. I'm just going to use the regular file, so I'm going to assemble it just like this. It's ready to go. Grab your little nail file. You're gonna have to take this one off, so unlock that, pop that out, pop your new one in here just like this, lock it into place. Then you're just gonna connect this to your power supply, put it in one end here, and then we are going to put it in the other end of our power supply. It goes on the top. Just make sure that this is completely charged, and then we're just gonna turn it on, and it's gonna start working immediately. So on the front here, we do have the little knob to turn it on and off, and that's also where you're going to pick how fast it goes. Once it's connected right here, you can go all the way up to 40, so that's going to be intense. They also have the battery indicator there, so you know how much battery is left, so you don't run out in the middle of your session. Again, changing these out is simple. You're just going to twist that, lock it in, pop it off, decide which one you want. It's that simple. And you can store this away separately as well. So this just disconnects here and you can store it somewhere else. But let's go ahead and file my nails. Okay, so I have my tips selected. We're gonna come in here, turn this on low, and we're gonna slowly just kind of go with my nails and make them even. This might be the wrong tip. I just threw this on here for this video. It's probably better for taking off your nails or your acrylics because this is a pretty high grit, so let's change it out. So we also have these. They're going to be a little less intense on your fingernails, and it's also going to be like a buffer and a polisher. So let's try this one out. And just shape and file your nail with ease. This is nice. You can jack it up if you want to change the speed here just a little. There you go. Super simple to do here. Even I can do this. Go on all your nails. Make them all even. It's better than filing. It takes way less time because it has that motor there. This is also whisper quiet, so you can't even hear it. It's also a 30-second quick removal, so no more spending extra time trying to get those old nails off. So if you're looking to do your nails at home or own a nail salon or just want to take off acrylic nails, this is a fantastic tool. It saves so much time when filing your nails, and you can do it without leaving the house. It comes with all the attachments. It stays charged for a while, and look how freaking adorable this is. I love the shiny little rhinestones. This is simple to use. Even I was able to do it. To find out more information on this product, just go ahead and click that link and pick out your favorite color.